In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find settings on Opera GX. Finding the settings page in Opera GX is one of the first things you'll want to know because it's where you can personalize the browser and adjust how it works. Whether you're looking to change your appearance, manage privacy options, configure downloads, update security preferences, or customize other browser features, almost everything can be found in the settings menu. The good news is that Opera GX provides more than one way to access it, making it easy regardless of how you prefer to navigate the browser. In this video, I'll walk you through each method so you can quickly find the settings page whenever you need it. To begin, open Opera GX on your computer and wait for the browser to finish loading completely. Once you're on the main browser window, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll notice a small gear-shaped settings icon. This is the fastest and most convenient way to open the browser's settings. Simply click the gear icon, and the settings page will appear immediately. If you don't see the settings gear, don't worry, because there's another way to access the same page. Move your cursor to the upper left corner of the browser window and click the Opera logo. This opens the main browser menu, which contains a variety of tools, shortcuts, and browser options. Scroll through the menu until you locate Settings, then click it. This takes you to exactly the same settings page, so you can use whichever method is most convenient. After the settings page opens, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu organizes the available settings into different categories, making it much easier to locate specific options. As you browse through these categories, you can open each one to view and customize its available settings based on your preferences. You can also explore the settings page by scrolling through the available options. Opera GX groups related settings together, making it simple to browse and discover features you may not have used before. If you're looking for a specific option, you can use the search box at the top of the settings page to quickly locate it without manually scrolling through every category. That's all there is to finding the settings page in Opera GX. Whether you choose the settings gear icon or the Opera menu, you'll always have quick access to the browser's customization options whenever you want to make changes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,